tough luck this afternoon in the first game in the quarterfinal. What's your assessment of today's game?
Well, it's a game where Dinthill seemed to have wanted it more than us. We started out a bit flat, but we picked up our games, created some very good chances in the first half. And in games like these, when your chances go up begging, then you pay dearly. As we saw in the second half, they came out, and mistakes were made. But it's one, is a schoolboys. They are schoolboys. They are not really adults. They are not professionals. So it's one where you just have to sit down and they have to learn from the mistakes, and then go to the drawing board and build again.
I mean, there's no way you can really think, or anybody can think that Cornwall is out. The fact that you lost this game, the team that you'll be playing next also lost. So you still have an opportunity to get back equal. The big guns are top two teams will be playing on Saturday as well. What can we expect from Cornwall the next game?
First, you made a mistake by saying big guns, because I don't consider myself a lesser team. But anyway, I can understand. I forgive you for that.
Okay.
But we have a game, as you say now, is the top 8 teams in the competition. So nobody is really a small team. It's that sometimes on the day you don't know what can happen. Because as I said, they're schoolboys, they're adolescents. So sometimes they come as the adults, sometimes they come as the young boys. And today, we lost our concentration. Today we didn't really exert ourselves, lost most of the 50-50 chances. And then we paid dearly. But come Saturday, we just have to lift ourselves by the boots and play very hard and come for our 2-love down to getting some goals in our favor and look at the game as we go along.
I must say to you, don't think that I'm underestimating Cornwall. I have Cornwall up in my lap. I just want to say I use the word big guns because they won the first game.
Yeah.
And in that light. So not that they are better or bigger than Cornwall. Not at all. But the fact is, this should give you a lot of confidence. Coming from this game, I know that there are more some positives that you have seen.
Yes, especially in the first half. I think we could have closed out the game from in the first half, based on the type of chances we got. But, we were playing some people who were in some unfamiliar positions. And then, so, we just have to say, as I say, go to the drawing board, look at what is happening, or look at what happened, and correct the mistakes, and then look ahead.
Well, Doctor, I'm looking for a better show in next match.
Yeah, all right. Go.